Understanding Someone Got Injured, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in English, someone got injured. This might sound straightforward, but there's a lot we can unpack to fully understand it. By the end of this video, you'll not only grasp its meaning but also how to use it properly in various contexts. So, let's dive in. The phrase, someone got injured, involves two key components, someone and got injured. Someone is a pronoun used to refer to a person without specifying who they are. It's very general and can refer to any person. The second part, got injured, describes what happened to the person. Here, injured is an adjective that comes from the verb injure, meaning to cause harm or damage to someone, typically in a physical sense. When we say, got injured, it implies that the person has come to be in a state where they have suffered some form of physical harm. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but knowing when to use it is another. This phrase is commonly used in news reports, everyday conversations, and medical contexts. For example, if you hear it in a news report, it usually means the injury is significant enough to be mentioned. In everyday conversations, it could be used to inform others about someone's unfortunate accident or mishap. In medical contexts, it might be used by healthcare professionals to describe a patient's condition. Examples in sentences. News report. In the downtown area today, someone got injured in a car accident. Everyday conversation. Did you hear about Alex? He got injured playing soccer yesterday. Medical context. We have a patient who got injured falling off a ladder. He needs an X-ray. Expanding your vocabulary is always helpful. Some synonyms or related phrases to someone got injured include someone was hurt, someone suffered an injury, someone was wounded, often used in more severe or combat-related contexts. Understanding these variations can help you better express the severity and nature of the injury in different conversations. I hope this exploration of the phrase, someone got injured, has been enlightening. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in understanding the nuances and contexts of phrases we use every day. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use new phrases in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning, and take care not to get injured.